Hi friends, this is our third class on development. All of you are welcome to this class. Today we continue with per capita income. You already know something about per capita income. Per capita income is an average. It is the average income of a person in a country. It is a measure of development. It can be used for comparing countries. The World Bank is using this criterion for classifying countries. All these things you know. The per capita income has a defect, and in fact this defect is there for all averages. The defect is that averages hide disparities. Averages hide disparities. The per capita income hides the disparity in income distribution in the country. Okay, it hides the disparity in the income distribution of the country. Because of this defect, we cannot compare two countries using per capita income alone. Okay, we'll prove this idea from this example. Here we have taken two countries, country A and country B, hypothetical countries. In country A, the per capita income is rupees 12,000. In country B also, the per capita income is rupees 12,000. If you don't know about the income distribution in the country, we have no idea about the level of development in these countries, and we may think that both the countries are on the same level, but the fact is different. Okay, so see the table. In country A, the income distribution is more or less equal, and it is a better developed country than country B. In country B, the income level is very low, even though the per capita income is the same. The per capita income is the same because one person has a huge income. So actually country B is a poor country. When we know only the per capita income, we don't know the actual fact of this. Okay. So that is why we say that per capita income alone cannot reveal the status of a country. Let's take three states in India for comparison based on per capita income. We have taken three states, Bihar, Haryana, and Kerala. During 2018-19, the per capita income of Bihar was 40,982 rupees. Per capita income in Haryana was 2,36,147. Per capita income in Kerala was 2,04,105. From this, we can see that Haryana has the largest per capita income. Therefore, it will be the most developed state in India out of these three only. Okay, out of these three, Haryana will be the most developed state. But is it true? For giving an answer to that question, we must know some more criteria of development. Such criteria are infant mortality rate, literacy rate, net attendance ratio, etc. First, we will consider infant mortality rate. What is infant mortality rate? Infant mortality rate indicates the number of children that die before the age of 1 year. This is calculated per 1,000 live births. So, infant mortality rate indicates the number of children that die before the age of 1 year. We will give an example. Suppose 5,000 children were born alive in a small country in the year 2022, and 10 children out of them died before attaining the age of 1. In this case, IMR of the country for that year is 10 multiplied by 1,000 and divided by 5,000, which gives a figure 2. Okay, here the infant mortality rate is 2. This means that out of 1,000 newborn babies, 2 died on an average. Okay, now we come to literacy rate. Literacy rate denotes the proportion of literate population in the 7 and above age group. Literacy rate denotes the proportion of literate population in the 7 and above age group. This is also a measure of development. Now we come to the concept net attendance ratio. Net attendance ratio is the total number of children of an age group attending school as a percentage of total number of children in the same age group. Net attendance ratio is the total number of children of an age group, any age group, attending school as a percentage of total number of children in the same age group. Okay, we will give an example. Suppose there are 5 lakh children in the age group 14 and 15 years. In the age group 14 and 15, there are 5 lakh children, and out of them, 4.8 lakh children are attending school. Out of 5 lakh, 4.8 lakh children are attending school. In this case, the net attendance ratio will be 4.8 by 5, means 4.8 divided by 5 and multiplied by 100, which gives a value equal to 96%. Here, the multiplication by 100 is to make the figure a percentage. Okay, here the net attendance ratio is 96%. This means that 96% of the children in a particular age group attend school. Okay, means here 4% of the children in that age group are not attending the school. Okay, let's move on. Another measure of development is public facilities. Public facilities are those facilities provided by the government on non-rivalry and non-exclusion basis. Non-rivalry means the use of a public facility by one individual will not affect the use of another individual. Similarly, non-exclusion means all citizens can use this facility. No one will be excluded from the use of this facility. You will learn more about this in higher classes. Education facilities, health facilities, transportation facilities, etc. are examples for public facilities. Health facilities include safe drinking water, housing, hospitals, public distribution system, etc. Education facilities include schools, colleges, libraries, etc. Similarly, transportation facilities include roads, bridges, airports, etc. Okay. Now, what is public distribution system? Public distribution system is a public facility. Through public distribution system, food grains and other essential things are distributed to the people. This system ensures food security and is a weapon for fighting poverty in the country. This ensures health and nutrition of the people. The public distribution system ensures health and nutrition. Okay. Based on the new 3 criteria, we will compare the states Bihar, Haryana, and Kerala. First, we take infant mortality rate. IMR during 2018 was 32 in Bihar, means 32 per thousand, 30 in Haryana, and 7 in Kerala. So the infant mortality rate was the lowest in Kerala. Okay, now we come to the literacy rate. It was 62% in Bihar, 82% in Haryana, and 94% in Kerala. Okay, so the literacy rate was the maximum in Kerala, that is 94%. Now coming to net attendance ratio among the children 14 and 15 age group. The figure for Bihar was 43. The figure for Haryana was 61 and the figure for Kerala was 83. So the net attendance ratio was maximum in Kerala. So literacy rate and net attendance ratio was maximum in Kerala, and the infant mortality rate, that means infant deaths, was minimum in Kerala. So based on these 3 criteria, we can see that Kerala is the best state among these 3. Okay. An average person in Haryana has more income than the average person in Kerala. Still, it lags behind in crucial areas like education, healthcare, etc. Money cannot buy everything. That is the main reason for this. Some goods and services must be provided collectively. Most of the important goods and services must be provided collectively. Collective provision of goods and services means the government or the public authorities are providing these goods and services. We will take an example. Suppose a road must be constructed in an area. It comes, say, 200 kilometers. Whether a private individual can construct this road? No, it is not possible. Such services must be provided by the government or the public authority. Okay. If this is lacking in some state, the development will be less in such states. Okay. Thank you.